unique experience in the wilderness of Patagonia. Valle Chacabuco and Paso Rodolfo Robalos offer a unique experience in the wild nature of Patagonia, with landscapes of native forests, swamps, waterfalls, and snowy mountains. Valle Chacabuco is a valley within the Patagonian National Park in Chile, known for its scenic beauty and diverse wildlife. The park covers an area of more than 300,000 hectares and was donated to the Chilean state by the Tompkins Conservation Foundation in 2017. Paso Robalos is a border crossing between Argentina and Chile, located in the south of both countries.